In the name of Allah, the gracious, the most merciful. Students, today we solve an activity of chapter 22, which is concerned with the Bombay phenotype. A student of biology learns about ABO blood types. He knows that he is type O and his father is type A and mother is type AB. He wonders how this blood type could have arisen. Actually, when father has phenotype A and mother has phenotype AB, in the offspring, the blood type O cannot be produced. O type offsprings are not possible. And when one parent is A and the other parent is AB. And in this case, in the offspring, phenotype O, blood type O has been observed. How this phenotype has arisen. Now we make the cross between father and mother. Father, mother. Father have the blood type A and the mother is AB. A phenotype has two types of the genotypes. IA homozygous or IA small I. We use IA small I because it is possible that O phenotype may produce due to presence of I, and so we will take this genotype IA small I because IA genotype cannot produce the child O phenotype, cannot produce O blood group in the offspring, and so in this case, we have small I allele. And so, small I allele, when it is present in homozygous form, small I, O phenotype can be produced. We will use this IA small I genotype. Father, IA small I and mother IA IB because mother has blood group AB and the genotype of the blood group AB is only one, IA IB, which is heterozygous. You have also known that IA and IB, these are the codominant alleles, and small I is recessive. IA and IB are dominant over small I. This is the P1. These are the genotypes of father and mother. And we make the gametes, male gametes. These are the female gametes. IA gamete having IA allele and gamete having small I allele. This is the gamete having allele IA and this gamete has allele IB. These are the gametes, possible gametes of the parents. Gametes. These are the parents, these are the genotypes, and these are the gametes. We cross these two. Now we can get the offspring. IA will combine with IA, and IA will combine with IB. Similarly, small I will combine with IA, and this small I will combine with the IB. So, in this case, IA, A phenotype is produced, and then IA and IB, AB blood type is produced, and IA, small I, this is again A blood group, and this is IB, small I, this is the blood group B. These are the genotypes of offspring. Genotypes of offspring. Genotypes of offspring. Phenotypes. This is A phenotype, this is AB phenotype or blood group, this is the A blood group, and this is the B blood group. And so, in the offspring, it is observed. We see that there is no any O-type child. And it seems that this is the case of Bombay phenotype. In that child which have the blood type O, it is the case of Bombay phenotype because in this child, small h, genotype is present, gene capital H is not present, and so there is no site for attachment of the antigens A or antigen B on the surface of the red blood cells. And so, now, from this cross, we can obtain the result. The student is a case of Bombay phenotype. Case of Bombay phenotype, which is the result of epistasis, which is the result of epistasis. Here phenotypically O, but not genotypically O, but not genotypically. Here genotypically O, but not genotypically. He may have IA and IB genes. He may have IA and IB genes, but his RBCs lack the site of attachment for antigen A and B. For antigen A and B. It is because he is small h. He is small h. Genotypically. And these small h genes, these genes do not allow to insert sugar molecule to glycoprotein on the surface of RBC. Hence, it is clear from this discussion that the child which has been appeared in the offspring, which is the case of Bombay phenotype, because when we cross the two parents, actually we cannot get O phenotype, and this case is the case of Bombay phenotype, because in this case the child has no gene capital H, and small h genotype is present in this child, and so when small h genotype is present, there is no any site of attachment of antigen A and antigen B on the surface of the red blood cell, and so phenotypically this child will be O and not genotypically O. And so this is the case of Bombay phenotype. Thank you very much.